Soil preparation and fertilization are critical components of successful gardening, particularly for vegetable crops. Ensuring that soil is properly prepared and enriched with the right nutrients can significantly enhance plant growth and yield. Soil preparation involves several steps to create an ideal environment for planting. First, it is essential to have the soil tested to determine its pH and nutrient levels. This information guides the type and quantity of amendments needed. Organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure, should be added to enhance soil structure and fertility, generally aiming for a ratio of 25 to 35% organic matter by volume in the planting area. Mixing in organic materials improves moisture retention and provides essential nutrients. After organic amendments are incorporated, it's advisable to till or turn the soil to a depth of about 12 inches to ensure that the amendments are evenly distributed. Additionally, removing rocks and debris during this process helps in creating a smoother seedbed that promotes root establishment.
Fertilization is key in providing plants with the necessary nutrients for optimal growth. The primary nutrients required are nitrogen N, phosphorus P, and potassium K. These are often represented in a fertilizer's NP-K ratio. For example, a fertilizer labeled the 10th of October 10 contains equal parts of each nutrient. Most vegetable gardens will benefit from a balanced fertilizer that includes these essential nutrients.